Hello beautiful people and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In my last video I showed you how to create a very basic email signature, and in this video I'll be showing you the advanced and more professional looking email signature that you can create for your emails. If you've not seen that video, it's on your screen right now. You can go ahead and watch the video, and I'll also be linking it in the description box and you can check it out. It's very simple and basic to create. So today I'm going to be showing you this particular one, how to go about it, putting your email putting your photos and social media icons. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. Quickly go to settings and see all settings and scroll down to signature. Now this was the signature we created last, so let's create a new signature and I'll call it social icons and images. Create. And so now we can begin editing it, but it's easier for me to edit it. For example, if I have like a table, so it will align properly, but from the editing tools that are here, I don't have that option, so it's quite difficult for me to do it here. But no worries, I'm just going to walk you through how you can do it and get it onto this settings platform. So now we're just going to click on Google Apps and go to Google Docs right here. I'm going to create a blank document. Then I'll go to insert. I'll insert a table, and then I'll insert a 2x1 table, 2 columns and 1 row table. I'm just going to reduce this. Something like this is okay. So for the first one, I'm just going to insert my photo right here. So let's go and upload from my computer. It's in my photos, and this is the image right here. Can then choose for upload. Right, then we have to put in the text, so I'll just quickly type my name. Right, so let's just do basic formatting. Just increase this a bit to 14 and then select the text color. We used the color that was something close to this, I think. Yeah, then I'm also going to increase this a bit and italize it. Then I will increase this as well. Maybe put it as bold and increase it to 13 or so. I'm going to do a bold for the email and the website. So we can put our email address right here. So because I want my images to align properly, I'm still going to insert a table, and this time it will be just 3x1. Nice, because I have 3 icons, I want them to align perfectly well. So I'm just going to start inserting them. Insert image, upload from computer, and they're in my photos, so I'll select them. So right now I already have my social media icons like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You can actually go to Google and type YouTube icon, for example, and you see a lot of images that you can download from, and you can basically choose one and download it, but you have to check if it is subject to copyright, so you don't have a copyright strike. So basically that's how I got the images there, and then I can reduce it a bit. Then I have to insert the other ones. Upload from computer, photos, go pick Facebook, can also reduce it. And then I come here as well, go to insert image, open from computer, these are my photos, and pick Instagram. I'm going to reduce them so that they are close to each other. I think I'm happy with this. I can also come right here and select all of these text and click on insert link to put it as a link, and this one as well. Select and then click on link to insert a link. And then I can do that for my images as well. And once I click on my images, I can click on insert link right here, and then it's telling me to put in my link. So I could go to my channel and basically copy the link, come back here and paste it here. Then when I'm done pasting it, I click on apply. So if you click on your Facebook, you can click on Facebook, go to this link icon right here. You can put in the link of your social media. Same for Instagram. I think I'm happy with my design and everything looks perfect. Now we just have to remove the borders. What I will do is right click on the table, go to table properties, and select the table border to be 0 and OK. So I've removed all the border for that table. I'm going to do the same for this table as well. So I'm just going to right click, scroll down to table properties, go to the table border and put it as 0. Oh, okay. I think this is better now. So I think I'm done designing everything I want to design. You can add as much information that you feel like you need here, maybe with what's it called, phone number and all that, but I'm okay with that. So I'm just going to Control A, copy, Control C, and then come to my signature here and paste it. Yeah, I think it's aligned perfectly well, looking good and okay. And I can now select my social icon as my new signature for new emails and also for reply and forward. So once I'm done, I'm just going to click on save changes. Now done saving changes, let's come to compose. So this is what our email signature looks like. I personally think it looks good, and yeah, looks good and professional. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what you think about the video, and if you have any suggestions of any video tutorials you'd like to see from me, I'll be more than happy to hear it also in the comment section as well. Please share it with your friends and anybody you think will benefit from this content, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye.